So the cap size on this one is definitely small to medium, head friendly at max, y'all. I'm back at it again with yet another Outre unit. This color is literally everything.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, zapato o plomo, been taking that easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with, yes, another Outre unit. I'm wearing this one in the style Azalia and the color DR Chocolate Swirl. So let's just get into the specs on this unit, honey. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with baby hairs. It does not list that as pre-plucked, but it does got a little situation going on there. You don't have to put too much work. It looks like it could use definitely some plucking, but I feel like if you're not trying to do all that work, it still is manageable. So it does come with HD lace, and it is a left side part, honey. So let me just show you what the hairline in this parting space is looking like. It's not too bad. It's definitely workable, and I feel like since you see this bang swoop situation going on, there's kind of no need for me to go customize all around the crown because I don't feel like it. So you can still get away with it. You dig what I'm saying? This is going to be a throw on and go, you guys. So the cap size on this one is definitely small to medium, head friendly at max, y'all. I did not adjust the straps on this one, and this one is snug like a bug in a rug. When I tell you, I feel like it is at the maximum stretch right now, honey. But I feel like if it was a little bit smaller, this one would not be for me. So I do think if you do have a larger size head, honey, straight on the side of caution with this one. Now the texture on this one is definitely coming off just like the previous unit. The Johari unit is coming off like a medium relaxed yaki. So the texture on it is really gorgeous, you guys, and I'm really digging these curls. The length on this one is definitely on the longer side. I am 5'3" for reference, and this is coming below my boobs, you guys. This is a long, romantic, like cute unit. So let me just show you what the length is looking like. The density on this one is definitely on the natural side. It's about 130% density. I kind of wish I had a little bit more hair, but it's just enough that I don't feel like tracks or anything like that are showing. The curls itself are definitely giving it more volume. If this was flat, this would be a no-go for me, but I think the curls do save the lighter density on this one. So if you are somebody who likes more natural density hair, this one will be for you. Now I did get some tangling and some shedding with this one, but nothing too crazy, so definitely just keep that in mind. Okay, you guys, so let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Probably one of my only cons is I just wish that they did pluck this hairline out some more. Like I said, I do feel like it's manageable, but just with the units that I've been seeing lately, the hairlines and everything, I just feel like my standards are set pretty high. I'm not super disappointed with this one at all, though. I don't think the hairline is atrocious. I do think it is workable, but that's probably just one thing I wish I could change about it, but it's definitely not a deal breaker for me, and that's probably going to be my only issue. And also, I'm going to also say the fact that the cap is like pretty small. That's definitely going to be another con for me, but other than that, I don't have any other cons with this unit, so let's just pop right into the pros. The pros of this unit, this color. These curls are really pretty. The fact that this was a throw in and go. This is definitely going to be beginner friendly, and like, I mean, it's going to be a special occasion unit, but I could possibly see myself picking it up again because it's just kind of like effortless and cute, and I like that I didn't really have to put much work into it, so I'm always here for that. I think as a whole, this is just like, it's a cute unit, and I don't think you'd be disappointed if you picked it up, but definitely do note this one's not going to last you super long. It's going to tangle on you, it's going to shed on you. It's a longer unit, it's a curly unit, that's to be expected. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up, and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.